What's up everyone? My name is Jake Frew and this is my 2017 Ford Transit. Alright, so this is the space. I've been living in it since January, so about 6 months now, and I've spent 90% of my time in cities with it. I've been in Denver, sleeping just in the city, and it's worked out great because I wanted it to be a stealth build. So at night I close this curtain that seals off the driver and passenger seat. I cover up the back windows with black fabric, and with that it's hard for anyone to tell if it's a work van or a camper van. So I also have the super thin solar panels on the roof, so when you're outside you can't even really tell that there's solar panels on it. It kind of just looks like a work van. For the kitchen area, it's just like a IKEA sink and a Vigo faucet. This works great. Basically my entire water system is all contained right here in the sink cabinet. And so all the fresh water for the van is stored right underneath the sink in this compartment. And so I made it accessible from the outside of the van so that it's super easy to change out the water tanks when I need to refill them. You just pop this down. I made it double as a table so that if I want to be hanging out outside, I still have a table to kind of do some things on. But I can just unhook it, let it swing down. These are really nice quick connect valves, so I can just pop those off, pull out the water tank, you take that somewhere, fill it up, and then you're good to go to throw it back in. To cook, I just use like a portable stove thing, so when I cook, I just pull that out, cook on that guy, and it's easy. I'm only making like one pot, one pan type meals, so it works out perfect. It's an alcohol stove, so I don't have to worry about carbon monoxide poisoning or anything like that. So this thing works great, and it's super portable, and the alcohol lasts really long. This is my hidden toilet compartment, so you just pop this guy up, clamp it on here. I want to make an adjustment to this so I don't have to clamp it. I eventually am going to get a hook with a string, but for now it's just clamped. So you fold that up, pop this out, and you've got your hidden toilet right there. It's one of the Nature's Head composting toilets. It works great. It doesn't smell despite what everyone thinks, and there's a fan that's always on, so it's always cycling air outside of the van. It's kind of routed to the back of my van and dumps out the back, so there's literally never a smell in the van from this thing. It's awesome. This is obviously like the workstation desk side of my van, so I think a lot of people do the kitchen on this side because there's a lot of space and you don't have the door on the other side getting in the way of your kitchen. But I wanted as much desk space as possible because I was prioritizing video editing over cooking for my build. So I had plenty of room for a big old ultra wide 34-inch monitor, and then just behind my driver's seat is where I've got my desktop computer strapped. So it works great, plenty of space to work and get stuff done, so I love it. I'm stoked on that part of the build. And then I just sit on this like storage ottoman that I just got, which is awesome because I can use it as a chair to work, but then it also doubles as my laundry basket. So any multi-use thing when you're living in a van is awesome. So this is a great desk chair and also my dirty laundry bin. I guess that's it for the main part of the main cabin. I'll show you the garage real quick. So this is where I keep like all the outdoor toys, the bikes and snowboards, skateboards. All that stuff is great back here. I don't have to worry about them being muddy and dirty and wet and all that going in here. And then I built this sliding tray so that I could fit 2 bikes on one tray and slide it out so it's a lot easier to access it from the side. This is also where I have all of my electrical panel and my battery and my inverter stored back there. Alright, so that's it for the tour of Landorf the van. Let me know if you have any questions on any of the parts or things that I use for my build. I'll try to link as many things as possible down below so that you know what I used. But yeah, I'm stoked to continue on the road with this thing. So I'll be making my way to Jackson Hole, Wyoming next week, and then to the West Coast from there. So I will see you next time, and I don't know where I'll be, but thanks for watching. I'll dive in.